Artoonza.
Before your boba explodes with cuteness, smash that like button like it owes you bubble tea money. Okay, wow, look at this cup. It's basically begging for hearts. And who are we to say no? 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts on top, and a sneaky little heart hiding on the lid like it's shy. Adorable? Yes. Suspicious? Also yes. Now grab your marker because we're about to draw the fanciest, boba-iest cup in the whole universe. No pressure cup. Stay tuned because color chaos is coming next.
Aww, so cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Oh, our cup caught feelings. Pink drop first. That's the blush. Then blue, the cool best friend. Give us a big thumbs up. Blue's showing off, gliding around like it owns the cup. Pink's not having it, sneaking back in hot and jealous. Highlighters, please. Someone referee this drama.
Aww, so cute.
Grab the brush. Blend the chaos. Blue smooths its ego first. Then Pink swirls in like the plot twist nobody asked for. 4 hearts, 1 problem. They're all secretly in love with the cup. Red polish seals the deal because drama deserves shine. And the boba. Oh, the boba's just sitting there, golden brown and unbothered, watching all this heart chaos like, y'all done yet? I'm the real star here.
Aww, so cute.
Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.